In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front fender liner on a Ford Escape. It is located behind the front wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you need to remove your 5 3/4-inch lug nuts. If your wheel doesn't want to come off, you can hit it with a rubber mallet from behind. And then remove your wheel. After removing your wheel, you need to remove this splash shield that is held on by 2 of these clips and these 7mm bolts. These 2 clips come apart in 2 pieces. There's a center and an outer piece. Now over to your 7mm bolts. Once you remove those, peel this piece back and out of this lip. Underneath the front bumper, there should be 2 8mm bolts. One of ours is missing. If yours has it, you need to remove it. You need to remove those 2, and that piece will come out. Now, if you move to the right of the strut, you have a clip here. Then you can remove. Now on the right side of the fender here, you have another clip. You need to remove that. Then right above that, there's the 2-piece clips. Then you have another one inside this little pocket. Now you want to remove your fender liner by pulling it straight back out of this lip. To make your wheel liner installation easier, you can remove this wheel molding by prying with a trim tool around the sides and on the top. And pull it out of the way. Take your new fender liner. Install it on the right-hand side first. Push your clip in. Line up your holes. Now you can install your 2 clips that are just to the left of the strut. Now you can reinstall your wheel arch molding. Line up all your clips with the holes on your fender. There we go. Now you want to install your clips. Now you want to align all your holes up here where your fender arch is. And install your 2 bottom screws. Now you want to install your wheel arch. Make sure all your clips are clipped in, and then reinstall the rest of your bolts. Now that I have all my bolts in their holes, I don't want to tighten them up because you still have this piece that goes in the front, and you use these two for this piece. So you want to remove those and slide this piece up. And then reinstall them. Now tighten all your bolts. Now we're back underneath your front bumper. You want to reinstall your 2 screws from your inner fender liner. Reinstall your wheel over the studs and install your 5 lug nuts. Now you want to tighten your 5 lug nuts up in a star pattern. You want to torque your lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.